I'm Megan Edwards for InvestmentPitch Media. WestBridge Energy Corporation is one of the latest new listings on the TSX Venture Exchange, trading under the symbol WEB, following its reverse takeover of Georgetown Solar. WestBridge is a renewable energy company focused on originating, developing, and profitably exiting utility-scale solar PV projects that use energy storage and enabling technologies. The company's Georgetown project, currently in the development phase, is comprised of approximately 710 acres of privately owned land in Vulcan County, Alberta, which is held under a lease. WestBridge plans to develop the Georgetown project to ready-to-build status and then, prior to construction, divest the Georgetown project to a utility company, financial investors such as a pension fund or infrastructure fund, energy company, or independent power producer. To date, the company has completed the necessary project feasibility tasks, including an interconnection feasibility analysis identifying multiple interconnection options and a desktop constraint and environmental analysis. The environmental analysis was based on land features such as slope data, wetlands, potential impacts to wildlife, and the presence of native prairie grasses. The company also commenced a wildlife field study program in fall 2020, and that program continues through summer 2021. Renewable power development is growing rapidly in Alberta, which can be attributed to Alberta's deregulated wholesale electrical generation market, government incentives provided under the market-based technology innovation and emissions reduction regime, and the abundance of electricity off-takers. In Alberta, electricity is generated, sold, and bought on the wholesale electricity market, which is deregulated and openly competitive, with the market price being set by supply and demand. This competitive electricity market provides end consumers with a lower price and requires developers and generators to rapidly adapt to changes in the market environment. 31% of Alberta's electricity is currently supplied by coal-fired plants, with only 1% supplied by solar. Scott Kelly, executive chairman, stated, "Today's closing marks a major catalyst for WestBridge as we transition our company into renewable energy. The Georgetown project launches our strategy of bringing technology-enabled greenfield solar development opportunities to retail investors." Led by Stefano Romanin and a team with more than 40 successful renewable energy exits worldwide, we see a bright future for solar and significant potential for shareholder value. Stefano Romanin, CEO, added, "We are excited to be one of the only pure-play solar development companies to offer investors access to utility-scale solar projects with the liquidity of a public company. As a listed company, new opportunities for expansion in the Canadian and U.S. markets are more readily available, providing ESG investment opportunities for investors and ultimately delivering abundant, cheap, and clean electricity to consumers." The shares are trading at 19.5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, westbridge.energy. Contact Stefano Romanin, CEO, at 604-687-7767 or email info@westbridge.energy. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Megan Edwards for InvestmentPitch Media.